Hello mga kaibigan, welcome back to our channel. Kapag nagustuhan niyo po ang channel na ito, please subscribe and touch the notification bell.
5 Bible verses about patience. Romans 8 verse 25. But if we hope for what we do not see, we wait for it with patience. This verse emphasizes the importance of patience in our faith, reminding us to trust in God's plan, even when we cannot see the outcome. James chapter 1 verses 2 to 4. Consider it all joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance. Let perseverance finish its work so that you may be mature and complete, not lacking anything. This passage encourages Christians to view trials or opportunities for growth and to persevere through difficulties with patience. Colossians 3 verses 12 to 13. Therefore, as God's chosen people, holy and dearly loved, clothe yourself with compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience. Bear with each other and forgive one another. If any of you has a grievance against someone, forgive as the Lord forgave you. This verse emphasizes the importance of patience and forgiveness in our relationships. Psalms 37 verses 7 to 9. Be still before the Lord and wait patiently for Him. Do not fret when people succeed in their race, when they carry out their wicked schemes. Refrain from anger and turn from wrath. Do not fret, it leads only to evil. For those who are evil will be destroyed, but those who hope in the Lord will inherit the land. This passage encourages us to trust in God's timing and to be patient in the face of adversity. 5. Galatians 5 verses 22 to 23. But the fruits of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, perseverance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Against such things there is no law. This verse lists patience as one of the fruits of the Holy Spirit, highlighting its importance in the Christian life. God bless everyone.